Hi, my name's Abby and this is my sister Rebecca. On today's episode of Test Kitchen on Cooking with Abby, we're going to be trying Hersheys S'mores Pudding.
Pudding. Go for it. Rip into them.
Rip?
Wow,
I'm so excited to try them, but once I try them, I feel like I'm not going to like them.
I kind of feel the same thing too. I think it's a nice idea. I think s'mores are lovely, but I think the idea of a s'mores pudding is probably a little weird. I would absolutely mix it, but that's me. Is there a graham cracker layer? How can you make marshmallow? Weird.
Big
All right,
fudge.
go.
That's actually really good.
No s'more flavor,
No s'more flavor, just more like chocolate pudding flavor with a little bit of vanilla action.
which is
Yeah.
really good. No, even the vanilla isn't, it's like chocolate. It's like a mousse.
Rebecca,
At
thoughts?
the end taste, it tastes a bit weird. Like it doesn't taste like marshmallow or chocolate.
The aftertaste.
Coffee. The top is like coffee.
Really? So we made a s'mores episode 100 years ago when we were at a cottage north of Montreal. And what do you guys think about showing that video next week?
Yeah.
So I think what we're going to do is we're going to remake s'mores, and we have a secret surprise.
Surprise.
Or not, it's a secret surprise. There's that. We get a little something extra. So anyways, what can people do?
Subscribe on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram if you like what you see.
Share these videos if you like them.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.